Angered by the unannounced economic blockade imposed by the Modi-led Indian government, fruit growers in the occupied Jammu and Kashmir have called for opening of trade routes via Azad Jammu and Kashmir for the apple and other businesses with the outside world. The fruit growers today closed the fruit-laden market in protest against the halting of thousands of trucks laden with apple on Srinagar-Jammu highway for the past 20 days. The Kashmiri traders said that India is using the closure of the highway as a tactic to let their fruit with millions of worth of rupees rot. Chairman Sopore Fruit Mandi Zahoor Ahmed Butt have advised all fruit growers of the Kashmir Valley to slow down the process of apple harvesting to avoid more losses. It is worth mentioning here that the apple industry worth rupees 8,000 crore is the backbone of Jammu and Kashmir's economy. As many as 3.5 million people are directly or indirectly associated with the fruit business. All India Congress Party, Communist Party of India and Aam Aadmi Party in their statements said that a deliberate attempt was being made on part of the Modi government to destroy the fruit industry in Kashmir. They said that the plight of apple growers is pathetic as the Kashmiri farmers grow unheard while foreign fruit has been given access to the market without any taxes. Mission Statehood President Sunil Dimple at a press conference in Jammu said that the decision of the BJP's Hindutva government to abrogate Article 370 has brought miseries and hardships to the Kashmiri people. He vowed to continue struggle for the reversal of the illegal actions of August 2019 in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Kashmir Media Service, among many other web portals which are critical of Modi government's Hindutva policies, are facing restriction or no access at all in India and occupied Jammu and Kashmir after virtual private network providers have left the country in protest against the BJP government's new data rules which came into force from yesterday. The Proton VPN is the latest VPN provider to announce leaving India to avoid fine or imprisonment. Earlier, ExpressVPN, Surfshark and NordVPN have abandoned India after they were forced to collect and share extensive and accurate data of their users, including log details, physical addresses, email addresses and phone numbers with the Modi government.